Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see another new video which is spoken Hindi via English. Okay, today we are going to see some of the important words which is used randomly, which is used many more times, and then these words are very important words. Okay, before we get into the video, I'm running an institute which is Rise to Shine Institute. We provided a spoken Hindi and spoken English classes. If you want to study spoken Hindi or spoken English, you can contact. Our contact number is in the description. We also provide an online class. Okay friends, let's go into the topic. First is you have gaon, which is a village. Okay, first is a gaon which is called as village. Gaon is a village. तुम गाँव से हो, you are from village. मैं गाँव से हूँ, I am from village. And then these village is a common word which is a gaon. Next one, the chota. Chota means it's a meaning of small. तुम छोटा बेटा हो, you are a small son. मैं बड़ा बेटा हूँ, I am a big son, younger son, elder son. तुम छोटी बेटी हो, you are a मैं बड़ी बेटी हूँ, you are a younger daughter, I am a elder daughter. We have representing chota or bada means big and then chota means small. Okay, and then next to is represent of course and so, these two meanings. And then next there is a lot of sentences there which is a bada. Chota means small and then bada means big. And then safed is the meaning of color which is a white color. Kala means it's a black color, and then सफ़ेद means it's a white color. तुम सफ़ेद कपड़े पहने हुए हो, you are wearing a white cloth. तुम सफ़ेद कपड़े पहने हुए हो, you are wearing a white cloth. मैं सफ़ेद कपड़े पहना हुआ हूँ, I am wearing a white cloth. So there is you can make a sentence using this single word. Okay, next ashik means it's a lover, so it's represent a lover. So ashik, so ये लड़का उस लड़की का आशिक है, this boy is a lover of that girl. Okay, so ashik, so it represent ashik. And प्यार represent love, so प्यार represent love. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ is a meaning of I love you. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ, मैं तुमसे प्रेम करती हूँ. Okay, and the next कौन means who. आप कौन, who are you. आप कौन, who are you. मैं कौन, who I am. मैं कौन, who I am. So कौन represent who. Okay, and then घर represent it's a house. Okay, मेरा घर, my house. तुम्हारा घर, your house. हमारा घर, our house. हम सबका घर, all of our house. So house represents it's a घर. Okay, and the next जानवर is an animal. And then दुनिया is a world. दुनिया represents it's a world. दुनिया में क्या है, what is in the whole world. Okay, दुनिया में क्या है, पूरी दुनिया में क्या है. मैं इस दुनिया से प्यार करती हूँ, I love this world. Okay, मैं अपनी okay, next पुराना is a meaning of old. पुराना कपड़ा है ये, this is a old cloth. पुराना लैपटॉप है, पुराना फोन है, old phone, old laptop. पुराना घर है, old house. Okay, purana represent it's a old. And then it's okay, and then sub represents it's a meaning of all. Okay, sub मेरा है, all or mine, all is mine. Okay, so ये सब मेरा है. ये सारा कपड़ा मेरा है. These all clothes are mine. Okay. ये सारा घर मेरा है. These all house are mine. ये सारा दुनिया मेरा है. This whole world is mine. So सब से सब कुछ मेरा है. सब कुछ मेरा है. इसमें ये सब मेरे कपड़े हैं. ये सब मेरे खाने हैं. दिस ऑल आर माई फूड. ये सब मेरा रिश्तेदार है. दिस ऑल पीपल्स आर माई रिलेटिव्स. ये सब मेरा रिश्तेदार है. सो सब represents its meaning of all. Okay. And then कुत्ता represents its meaning of dog. So ये मेरा कुत्ता है. This is my dog. ये मेरा दोस्त का कुत्ता है. This is my friend's dog. Okay. And then there is a lot of I'm just explaining the words which is mostly used. Okay. First, this is a teak. Teak is okay. ठीक हूँ मतलब I am okay. ठीक हूँ I am okay. Okay. Just कैसे हो तुम? How are you? ठीक. Okay. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am good. So it represent okay. Next देश represent country. ये मेरा देश है. India. This is my country. India. ये मेरा देश है. America. This is my country. America. तुम्हारा देश क्या है? What is your country? America. What is your country? India. So देश represents it's a country. Okay. And then next so is 100 rupees. Okay. 100, 100, 200, 300, 400. It's represent the 100 rupees. 200, 300, 400. तुम मुझे 100 रुपया दो. Give me 100 rupees. तुम 200 रुपया दो. Give me 200 rupees. So represents it's a 100 rupees. Okay. Okay, friends. Today we have seen some of the most important words or mostly used words. So our class is ended here. If you want to study spoken Hindi or spoken English, you can contact. The number is in the description. Okay, friends. Bye. We will meet in the next video. Bye, friends.